Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on iPhone iOS 18 on App Store. So if you want to change your country or region to France or any country you want, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video complete. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. And in settings, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to again click on setting, and this time you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply look for media and purchases. So in media and purchases, you will find the option of view account. So here you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available. So here you will find the option of country or region option available. So here you have to simply click on that. And after that, you will be shown the menu related to the App Store. So here you can simply click on change country or region. So here what you have to do, you have to simply select the country you want. For example, here you want to change our country to France. So you have to simply select that. And here you have to simply agree the terms and conditions. And after that, you have to simply provide the payment method. So the first one is credit or debit card, and second one is PayPal. You can simply select PayPal. You can provide mobile phone and anything like that. You can also select none of the option. So if you are shown with the none option, so here you have to simply provide that option, and you can simply provide a street, postal code, and anything like that. And after that, you have to simply click on submit, and your country or region will be changed after some verification. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.